They claim now that it's useless, it just can't be found. It stops freedom and choice, and they wanna avoid the noise from the crowd. They say happiness cannot fit inside, that they're doing just fine. Labels are not for them to hide, they just don't want to align. She argues that labels are old school, that this trend has passed. He says it's just for later, they are cool, that all is fine for now, too fast. Another day it will last. Look, character